So I just got this box from, I think you pronounce the brand Damtu. I might be saying that wrong, but this is Misugura, which is a, I hope I'm not slaughtering this, I don't speak Korean, but from what I understand, this is kind of like they used to use this as a provisions drink mixture, like if you needed rations and you didn't have a lot. So this is used a lot of times for protein, nutrition, and some other stuff. People like making dirty lattes with them. Today I'm going to be making one of those, and I'm going to be mixing it with a little concoction that my wife made for me. This is some coffee with there's a little bit of sweetness in there, a little bit of milk and stuff already. I just want to show you how to make this and to get a good result. First, this one of the things I want to say right off the bat, because when I made this, I saw this was a lot of problem with people that they have, is if I were to just mix this up in my drink right here, you might end up with a lot of clumping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some water in this bowl with the powder inside of there. You could also use milk, however you prefer. I already have milk in it, but I'm going to actually whisk this up and make it kind of more, well, it won't really be a paste consistency at this because I added a little bit more water. But I'm going to mix this up real good before I put it in my beverage because I want to make sure that it's not going to be clumpy. And it's really, really hard, even if you shake the heck out of it. If you don't whisk it, it's going to end up clumpy on you. So this is pretty good. This is like a nice creamy consistency. In case you're wondering what exactly is in this, it is a variety of 15 different ancient grains that are roasted, and it's got a high nutritional density. I'm going to scoop this out real fast. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and shake this up. This does taste actually fine by itself, in my opinion, but I know that people like a little more sweetener. That's why I kind of show with this is a coffee and milk blend with a little bit of, I think the wife put chocolate chip. I'm getting this ready in case you're wondering what's inside of it. You have yam, whole wheat, brown rice, germinated brown rice, regular rice, black sesame, glutinous rice, black rice, oat, adley, soybean, sorghum, Italian millet, red bean, and black bean. So that's a pretty nutritionally dense, and it is caffeine free naturally. Personally, I think this stuff is perfectly fine to drink as is, but in the concoction like I have right here, it really doesn't change the flavor profile that much. A lot of people use this as maybe a meal replacement in the morning. It's really good to start your day off. As like I said, it doesn't have any caffeine in it naturally, so it's just kind of a cool way to get some nutrition real quick and dirty.